Meet Sammy, the fluffiest squirrel, who had a tickle in his nose. A-choo, a-choo, out popped acorns, scattering all around. His forest friends watched, curious about this nutty surprise. But Sammy felt another tickle, a super sneeze on its way. A-choo, a-choo. Now carrots, fresh and crunchy, rained down. His friends giggled, enjoying the tasty orange surprise. Sammy blinked, wondering what would pop out next. A-choo, a-choo. Bright balloons floated, soaring high above. Everyone laughed, chasing the floating, bouncy wonders. Sammy smiled, but a tickle returned, bigger than before. A-choo, a-choo. A glittery confetti shower rained down. The forest sparkled, turning into a party wonderland. One final sniff, a giant sneeze, the grand finale. A-choo, a-choo, toys for everyone. What a joyful sight. The friends cheered, playing with the fantastic new toys. Sammy smiled, his sneezing fun had filled the woods with cheer. And so, Sammy's sneezes brought joy to all his friends. What a wonderfully wacky day in the Whispering Woods.